Good afternoon to the students of class 7. Students, today again chapter 17, area of rectangles and squares. Let's work out 17. Come to question number 16. It is a diagram based question. It is given in the figures given below. Find the areas of colored portions. So you can see a rectangle ABCD present and inside it two cross paths are running. So for calculating the area of the colored portion, that means we will have to calculate the area of the cross paths. So children, for calculating the area of the cross path, what you will do? You need to first calculate the area of the horizontal rectangle. So for finding the area of the horizontal rectangle, you need to take the length which is equals to 20 centimeter and the breadth that is equals to 2 centimeter. Why? Because this is 2 centimeter wide. So now you are calculating the rectangle EFGH. FG, that is the length which is 20 centimeter, and breadth EF equals to 2 centimeter. So now area of rectangle EFGH equals to length into breadth, that is 20 into 2, that is 40 square centimeter. So this is the length of the horizontal this is the area of the horizontal rectangle. Now for the vertical rectangle, just have a look at the diagram. For the vertical rectangle, that means this rectangle IJKL, the length will be equals to 15 centimeter and the breadth will be equals to 2 centimeter. Breadth will be equals to 2 centimeter. So again we calculate the area of rectangle IJKL, that is 15 into 2, that is 30 square centimeter. Now children, see over here in this figure you will see that for calculating the areas of both the rectangle of both horizontal as well as vertical, this square has come into common, this middle square. So this has come into consideration twice, but it has to be considered only once. Alright. So for that what we will do? We need to subtract the area of the square once. So the side of the square is 2 centimeter. So area will be 2 into 2, that is 4 square centimeter. So you are writing area of colored portion equals to, you are adding both the areas of rectangles, that means the area of the horizontal rectangle as well as the area of the vertical rectangle. Then subtract the area of the common square. So we are getting 40 plus 30, that is 70. So 70 minus 4, that is 66 square centimeter. Alright. Now the next sum. Here also you can see in the figure, we will have to find out the area of the colored portion. So children, the concept is going to remain the same. For finding out the area of the shaded or colored portion, you will have to subtract the area of the inner rectangle from the area of the external rectangle. So here the area of the external rectangle ABCD will be length into breadth, that is 23 centimeter into 15 centimeter, that is 345 square centimeter. Now we will have to calculate the dimensions of the inner rectangle. You can see here that the path is having width of 2 centimeter. So in this case, what we will do for calculating the length, we will have to subtract 4. That means here 2, here 2. Both the sides 2, 2 you are subtracting. That means actually from 23 you will have to subtract 4. And for calculating the breadth or the width of the inner rectangle, you will have to subtract the same, that is the 4 from, you will have to subtract from 15. 4 you will have to subtract from 15 centimeter. So you are getting the length as 19 centimeter and the breadth as 11 centimeter, because 15 minus 2 minus 2. That means actually you are subtracting 4, because 15 minus 4 you are getting, that is 11 centimeter. So from both the sides you are subtracting 2 centimeters. So actually you are getting 11 centimeter. So these are the dimensions of the inner rectangle EFGH. Length is 19 centimeter, breadth is 11 centimeter. So calculate the area, that is length into breadth, 19 into 11, that is 209 square centimeter. So area of the colored portion will be using the same concept, that external rectangle minus internal rectangle, which is 345 minus 200 square centimeter, which is equals to 136 square centimeter. 345 minus 209 square centimeter, that is 136 square centimeter. Alright. Now there is a note, children. You note that these sum numbers has been omitted. Okay. Let's work out 17. Question number 1, question 2, part 8, then question 10, question 12, question 16, the rest of the 2 figures, that means leaving out the ones which we have done in today's class, then question 19 and question 20. So just cross it out in your book with the help of pencil, the mentioned question numbers. Now here is an extra sum for you. Find the area of the shaded portion. So here also you can see that a rectangle is inserted inside another rectangle. So for this also you need to calculate the area of the outside rectangle and the area of the inside rectangle. Then after that you will have to subtract. The concept is going to remain the same. So for this what we will do is we will have to find at first the area of the outside rectangle, which is 19.6 meter into 15 meter. The length is 19.6 and the breadth is 15 meter. So you are multiplying 19.6 meter into 15 meter, that is 294 square meter. 294 square meter. Now children, for calculating the area of the inner rectangle, you need to find out the dimensions of the inner rectangle. That means here the length is 19.6, but you can see that this portion is marked as 5.4 meter. So what you will do? You are going to get the length of the inner rectangle by subtracting this 5.4 meter from 19.6 meter. So you are subtracting 19.6 minus 5.4 meter, which is 14.2 meter. Now again see, for calculating the breadth, that means for this portion you need to subtract from both the sides 2 meter. Initially the breadth is 15 meter. So from both the sides 2 meter wide it is shown. So actually from 15 you need to subtract 2 plus 2. That means from 15 you are subtracting 4 meter. 15 meter minus 4 meter, that is 11 meter you are getting. So after that you find out the area of EFG8, that means the area of inner rectangle, which is 14.2 into 11, that is 156.2 square meter. So the area of the shaded portion will be area of external rectangle, that is 294 square meter, minus the area of internal rectangle, that is 156.2 square meter. First is 294 square meter minus 156.2 square meter. So you are doing the subtraction here. The subtraction has been shown in the graph, and after subtracting we are getting 137.8 square meter. Alright children, so you are going to work out these sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.